Hello guys, or bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna unbox HP Series 5 monitor for you, so stay tuned. Okay, I just received it from Amazon, and I've had a monitor as well as a HDMI cable. It's a HDMI to HDMI cable, 6 foot 1 pack, power bear, and I will unbox it later, but first get into the monitor itself. So that's how it looks like on the outside. Very modern packaging. I like it. A strong cartoon. So this is HP Series 5 524SW, 23.8 inch Full HD white monitor, and 100 Hz refresh rate, low blue light, recycled materials, and works with Chromebook. Okay, let's open it. Da 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 da. Okay, let's turn it around. Alright, this is the whole package, and let's see what we got here. This is a charging cable, this is a, I don't know what it is, but we'll figure it out later. Okay, this is a, I guess this cord is attached and connected to this one. Yeah, this is a charging cord, and this goes to it. 3-point linkage. So yeah, this whole thing is a charging cable. And what we have next, this is the instruction. Which usually I don't read it, it's just here for show. And this is also a HDMI cable, I guess, but I already ordered another HDMI cable, so yeah, I didn't know it had an HDMI cable itself, but yeah, I don't know what to do with the second one, but anyway, that will come in handy one day. And what we have here, what is this? Difficult to unpack. This is like a gun. Yeah, this looks like a gun, but of course it's not. We'll figure it out later. That's part of the fun, you know. You just keep searching and you go on an adventurous trip to find out the functionality of each piece. So I guess we finished the first level. Let's go to the next level. Oh, what is this one? I have to hold the camera with one hand and unpack it with the other hand, so it's kind of tricky for me. Okay. this is it. This is I guess the stand. Yeah. Anyway, let's keep digging. It has a lot of compartments. Good packaging. What I can say is good packaging. Alright, let's get to the real piece. I like when I tear it out. So this is the monitor itself. It has several buttons here. Manufactured March 25, and yeah, this is how it looks like from behind. It's a HDMI input and also a VGA input. Yeah, and this is the connector to the stand. Okay, I will set it up and then continue recording the video. Okay guys, I installed the stand. It was kind of tricky to install it, but if you do it patiently you will figure it out. So this is how it looks like. Let's make it upright to see how it looks. Yeah, we need to tilt it a little bit. It's tilted. You can change the angle as much as you want. It's actually you can change the angle like this. Yeah, that was it. So I will connect it to the electricity, plug it in, and then turn it on to show you how it looks like. Alright, I had it connected to my laptop, and now I'm gonna turn on the monitor. the brightness is okay, and I can see anything with clearly. It's the resolution is good enough for me. The brightness is not that severe to hurt my eyes, and I've been using this monitor for a few minutes and my eyes are not hurt, so I guess this is good for eyes. That's why I bought it. I'm not sure whether it would be the same in the future. I have to use it for a longer time, for example 3 months, 6 months, to make a better judgment, but over the last few minutes I didn't have any problem with my eyes while looking at this screen. And let's watch a video to see how it works on video, because videos have a lot of colors, so it would be a good acid test for the quality of the monitor. It sounds good to me. And let's check out the buttons here. You can change the night mode, native mode, cool, natural. Let's keep it natural. You can change the brightness if you want. It's dark and bright. There are more options here. If you tamper with it, you will find more options. And this is how it looks like from outside. Very simple but well designed stand. And yeah, okay, I hope you enjoyed my video and find it fruitful. So if I need to work on this monitor to acquire more experience, and if I find more something worthwhile to share, then I will make another video about it. Thanks for watching my video and have a good day.